The Hamiltonian of a relativistic particle of rest mass m and momentum p is given by h is equal to root of p square plus mc square plus v of x in units, in which the speed of the light c is equal to 1, the corresponding Lagrangian is. So we are given the Hamiltonian of a particle, rest mass m, and its momentum is p. So the Hamiltonian is the total energy of the system. So we know that the energy E square is equal to P square plus mc whole square. Okay, so the P square plus m square c square. So E will be root of this. So we are given in the equation, we are given in the question that C is equal to 1. In the natural units, for we considering a rest mass of m, the energy is P square plus m square. So the Hamiltonian is the energy plus V of x. Okay, is given in the question. So the corresponding Lagrangian. So the corresponding Lagrangian will be L is equal to minus of mc square root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. And here it is the kinetic energy part, and the potential energy will be V of x. Okay, so we know that C is equal to 1 here. So the equation will be 1 minus V square minus V of x. So here the V will x dot, because the velocity is equal to the rate of change of position. So it will become x dot here. So you can replace v as v by x dot v square as x dot square. So the final equation will be minus of m root of 1 minus x dot square minus v of x.